Welcome back to my YouTube channel, and I'm gonna show you how to make money online. So the website we're gonna use is Coinbob. As you can see, Coinbob is a paying Bitcoin PTC where you can earn Bitcoin online by viewing ads and advertise to review quality traffic. You visit this page. Okay. Coinbob and FreeBTC. So the first one here, that's what we're gonna click. And free Bitcoins. We've paid out 16,860.5. Okay, BTC more. 59 ads available. You can earn 0.00400 BTC free BTC every. Get traffic from Bitcoin community. For advertisers, high quality Bitcoin related traffic. CPC starts at 0.0008 MBTC. High level of security. Okay, then I'm just gonna log in, or sorry, wait, I should go back. Wrong button. Register. Okay, account username, then pick Epic Chrome. Account. Okay. What's your password? Okay. Account password repeat. Okay, I'm just gonna confirm. I'm not a robot. So yep. Now register. The username cannot contain special characters. Okay, I should try this again. Change my password. Repeat the password. Okay, confirm I'm not a robot. Register again. What's wrong with this app? Website, sorry. Okay, I should actually put number. This again, and okay. Repeat this. Register. Okay, so when you've you've registered, they'll send you an email and you'll confirm, and you'll take you to this page. Then you just back to the login/register page, and you just log in your account, and it'll bring you back. It will bring you to the dashboard. Please fill your Bitcoin address by clicking on edit profile at the navigation bar. So I can statistics, balance, withdraw, deposit. As you can see, this app is the website is actually legit. Ads clicked. Okay, withdraw history, edit profile, membership. These are the advertise. Okay, then view ads. So far ads and okay, open. Benefit from everyone that joins after you. Enroll today. Nice. So watch the brief video below to see blah 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 blah. Click to okay, so I think this is the ad. So okay, open. Skip and okay, let's see how much we've earned. Okay, 6 BTC. Okay, so this is a very simple website. I just viewed another website and it like gave me 6 BTC. Then what else? I think that's all. So the more you watch ads, or you can it even have a referral link. You can refer people to this site and earn more BTC. So it's a very nice or good website. So you can even read news. You go to news tab and check what's new in the website. So yeah, you can earn money. Just put your Bitcoin address and it's done. So thank you for watching this video, guys. See you in my next video. Bye.